Of course. Bet you the M3's fun in the turns. Is he gonna let us around him? Of course there's someone towing a giant trailer slowly up the road. That M3 sounds pretty good. More Ducatis. I wouldn't pass there. Yep. You got it? What? I'm gonna get out the way. Yeah, called it. Yeah, we'll get this on video. Yeah. Yeah. The second you went for that pass, I was like, I wouldn't pass there.
You alright? Yeah.
Did it snap the bolt?
Yeah, it snapped the bolt off. I didn't see the bolt.
I saw something in the road.
Literally broke it out of the threads too.
Yeah, it stripped it. Snapped the bolt and then that bent. Is that the only thing holding it on? No, it's still kind of in there. Yeah, hold on a second. Here. Move it forward a little bit so it's on concrete. Problem with aluminum is when you go to bend it back the other way, it could snap. I don't want to bend it and have it snap. Here, you can ride it if you keep your weight off it. Yeah. Oh, well, that's where the bike fell, so I'm assuming. So that's an expensive lesson. When you're going to pass, pick your moment. Don't do it coming into a hot turn.
Especially on a trailer. Okay. Like, that's a big distance to pass somebody on.
Yeah, there's enough straightaways where you can get around someone, but some of these turns tighten up when you're halfway in it. You come in hot. Luckily, you had nice grass. You weren't going to hit anything and get hurt.
But there's a lot of rock walls there. Okay, so you could be going to the hospital.
Yeah, I mean, you almost landed in a nice pile of leaves. That would have been perfect.
Yeah, I mean, my first time riding over here, so yeah.
And that's another thing. When you come up here to play, come up with someone that knows the roads. Because you watch them, and if they know you're new, they'll set the pace for you. And we do that with people all the time, where one person will hang back with the new person just to show them the roads and the lines. Because some of these you're like, oh, it's not too bad. And then you get into it, and it's like, oh, shit, that turned tight. And on those kind of turns on a right-hander, if you go wide, you're going into oncoming traffic. Here, nice and soft, not a big deal. Just, you know. Oh, much worse. Yeah. When you get up to the top, you know where two wheels only is? Stop and hang out. We'll be up there. Come find us. We've all been there. Okay. Still recording? Yep. Make sure we don't have any dirt or any things on our tires. Oh, I feel bad for him. But that's how quickly things can happen, you know? Okay, here's an example. This guy's in the car with his kids and the wife, and he doesn't know the roads, so he's not going to go fast. So basically, you got to pick your moment, and I know that as long as there's no cars coming, he's either going to pull over here and let us by, or that will not occur to him, and I'm going to pass him up around the bend. So, as soon as I can see through the turns and see that there's nobody coming, good. Oof, big piles of leaves.